Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew. Today we're going to look at animating lines inside of After Effects. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is make a new composition. You can call it whatever you want. Let's call it lines. The presets and frame rate are for whatever you're going to be animating it for. So it's really up to you. We're going to grab the pen tool. I'm going to make a line. We're just going to make like some little wavy type stuff. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the fill, and then we're going to do no fill. And then the lines, we can go ahead and make that the stroke up a little bit higher. The stroke color doesn't really matter. It's whatever color you want it to be. So then if you click on the shape, click the down arrow, go to contents, shape layer. And then if you click on the shape and then click add, you can go down here to trim paths and then expand the trim paths. The end here is what's going to kind of animate the line along, as you can see. So you're going to want to go to however long out you want to go. So we'll just go to 1 second for now, just so it's nice and quick. We'll hit the end for the keyframe. And then we'll go to the beginning and we'll put that down to 0. And then if we kind of zoom in there, you can play it. You can see the line kind of animates out. And then one other thing you can do here is if you go to stroke 1, line cap, if you change that to round cap, that will kind of round off the corners there if you look at it. So then when you play it, it's not as harsh of an edge there for you to see. If you want to as well, let's drag this out a little bit. And then you can come in here, if you go to the start path, and you kind of do the exact opposite of your first line. And then of course, you delay it just a little bit here. Gives it an end to the tail. So that way, as you can see, it will keep. So then you kind of drag it out. And that'll basically make it so it'll end itself. But that, of course, is up to your personal preference if you want to do that or not. You don't have to. Depending on how it's being animated, it might be something kind of cool you want to do. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give us a like, leave us a comment, hit the subscribe button followed by the bell icon, and we will see you next time.